Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool wavy text effect on CapCut PC. Add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in wavy laggy text, and you can also change like the font as well for it. Adjust the font size, and then go to animation, go to loop and select wave and make it kind of slow, like maybe in the middle-ish. Right click, create compound clip. Oh, actually, before I do that, I want to add in a little bit of glow. You don't have to, but I'm just going to. Go to effects, add in the doodle the doodle diary on top. Turn off filters, turn off texture and stickers, and you can adjust the speed of the wave here, like the lag of it. If you move it to the right, it becomes like faster, and I'm also going to make the text a little bit smaller than that. I guess it's better if, hold on, let me just make it like this instead. And that should be it, really. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.